Hello guys, welcome back to Good Share Tips, and in this video we're going to talk about how to fix Snipping Tool is not working on Windows 11 and how we can fix this up. So let's dive into the workaround. So first one, you just have to go over here and you just have to search for apps and feature. Select this one. From here, what you have to do is you just have to search the app. So I'll be searching here Snipping Tool. So right now, as you can see, we are having Snipping Tool. So just go over here on three-dot menu and go to Advanced option. From here, you just have to scroll down and there is an option called Reset option. So you just have to reset it, right? Go for reset. And once it is done, you just have to go for repair also if that's also necessary. Just go for reset and repair. And once it is done, you just have to close this. Do a restart and try to open your Snipping Tool once again, and the issue will be completely fixed. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.